Hi, this is Center 2 from our seed dispersal discussion in our adaptations unit. This is the outdoor center, which I know a lot of you love to scoop up so you can take the kids outside, especially on a beautiful day, and help them learn about seed dispersal and science outside, get some of the energy out as well. There are two main activities here, and the first one is a scavenger hunt for seeds. So there is a map in one of the folders here where you can look at the school grounds and talk about where kids might go to find seeds. And then also there are clipboards, dry erase markers, and these laminated scavenger hunt sheets that have 6 different categories of seeds on them. So as we're talking about dispersal, we've got different kinds of dispersal here. For instance, seeds that hook, or seeds that you can blow, seeds that move on the wind, etc. So actually go out and look for plants that match these different categories and talk to the kids about how the different seeds and the adaptations that those seeds have help them with these different dispersal methods. The second part of this center is really fun, and it is to make a sock garden. So that's when we need everybody to bring in their socks. If you've got extra ones and want to donate to the elf bins, or just make sure you bring enough if you're going to lead this center where the kids can do sock gardens. So the first thing that's in here, you'll see there's a story about a sock garden, a little 2-page story. If you want to take the time to read it to the kids, it's fun. And then on the side of the story here, in the sock, it tells them and you how to actually make a sock garden. And it starts with taking the sock, and basically you can put the sock on your hand or foot, I guess, if you want to, and find a place in the schoolyard where you've got tall grasses, flowers, weeds, etc. And you can just walk through and see what the sock picks up, rub the sock around on the different plants, and see what the sock picks up in terms of seeds. There's a bag with an example in here. There's a couple socks in here actually that have different seeds on them. If you want to talk to the kids about what they're looking for in this activity, what is a successful sock garden there. And then again, it explains on the sheet, but if you put these in Ziploc bags for the kids, which are also in the bin, write their name on them, they can take them home and plant them. And the instructions just say plant the sock 1 inch deep in soil and keep it moist, and they can see what comes up in the spring. It's a good idea of what kind of plants use their ability to grip onto things in order to be dispersed. So be an interesting continued science experiment into the spring for the kids. So hope you have fun with that. Get outside on a beautiful day. It does say if it is not such a nice day, still try to get outside if you can. Obviously not as many seeds will stick to a sock probably when they're wet, but you might find some success there anyways. So hope you have fun with it. If you have any questions, email us at mitchellelf@gmail.com.